Here you are on the new Tableau Desktop Public Edition. You just signed up, you just downloaded this, now it's open, and the first thing that we need to do is connect some data. You'll see on the left, you can choose from a variety of different file types, including an Excel file, text file, JSON file. I want to mention that if you're using a CSV file, like we are today, it is considered a text file. So if you've downloaded the CSV that I linked to right above this video, that's the one that we're going to connect right now. So double-click text file and find that one, European Orders Clean.csv. I really want to emphasize to you guys that the data needs to be cleaned before you use it in Tableau. The best way would be to use Python to clean the data, as we've done previously in this course. But in general, it doesn't really matter how it's cleaned. If you're extremely proficient in Excel and you want to clean it that way, that's fine too. No matter what you do, it just has to be clean. So let's go ahead and open it now. What you'll see at the top, this is for when it is a database. It's not really relevant right now when we have just one CSV file. But as you'll see over here, you can use lots of different files at a time. And they will all pop up here, each file as a different table, and you're able to create connections between them and identify primary and secondary keys and sort of build up your own little relational database right up here and have a bird's eye view of it, how the data is connected. Again, that's not really relevant for this small exercise, but we will do something with that a little bit later in a different tutorial. For right now, let's take a look at the bottom. You'll see it tells you how many columns and rows. So 20 fields, we've got 20 columns, 500 rows. So this is a pretty small sample data set. You can decide how many rows you want to see at a time. Right now you can see we have 100. Say you want to do more, you want to do 250, no problem. It'll just load 250 for you. One important thing to do when you're looking at the data here is to check the data type for each. You want to make sure that the data type is matching what you actually have. So far these look good. As you can see, order ID has more than just numbers, so it is a string. We have dates. They're all strings. One important thing that's cool that Tableau does is that it recognizes geographic locations. So you see this little globe here. Not only is it a string, but it's a city, right? And they see that same thing. They see that this is state and province. And they'll see that it's country and region. Awesome. If for some reason you want to change the data type, you can do it from here or from up here. So say you wanted this to be, this is row ID as a number, you can change it to a string by clicking there. It will reflect over here, or you can change it over here. Make sure we put it back into a number, a whole number, and it'll reflect over here. Tableau is very good at predicting these things, so these are all correct, but it is important to double check because if your data type is wrong, it could severely impact your ability to do the calculations that you need or mess up your graphs. Right now, we're good to go with this data. We go down to the bottom left where it says Go to Worksheet, and you just click on Sheet 1. All right, so we have our empty sheet. I'll end this video here, and in the next short tutorial, we'll talk about how to make some very simple graphs and charts.